everyone. How are you? This is Jonathan in action. Jonathan in action.
Oh my god, Mommy, it's Botzees.
Jonathan, it's time for video.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. How you doing? Wow.
Great.
Yeah, you look super great and super excited.
We're going to unbox a surprise.
Exactly. Are you ready for the surprise?
Yes. Let's get unboxing. This is a new box.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
A bot thing. Oh my god, Mommy, it's Botzees.
Botzees?
It's from Pai.
Oh, that's from Pai Technology, right?
I bet so.
Are you ready to play with Pai?
Yeah.
And you're ready to play with Botzees?
Yeah.
Okay.
Create, program, and play. A Botzee and someone controlling it. Augmented reality construction and coding kit.
Ooh, that's one of the
130 pieces.
Ooh.
Let's get piece open. To get started, please download our manual. Let the adventure begin. Ooh, look at all these pieces. Wow. App download, check. Now let's find the pieces. And so let's take this out. This is the button. This is the back. This is the back.
That's the bottom and the back.
This is the front.
Yeah. Oh, where's the power button?
The power button's right here.
Okay.
Hello. And let's turn you off now.
It's like a lot of pieces. Okay, so let's get building. We're gonna need the app for now.
Okay. So let's play. Oh, I found it! Found it! Yeah, match. Oh, we need 2 of these.
Point your camera at the character and hold still. Make sure you are in a brightly lit area. Nice!
Nova, Nova!
Yay! Where's my spaceship? What happened to my friends? You mean that ship?
See?
I need to learn to use lights to open this. I know someone who can help.
Dun, dun. It's just like a hand. Yay!
Let's learn to use lights and get our city back.
Whoa! Epic.
Lights are fun. Let's try some more.
So that must be the code. Come on, I need to crack the code. I think I have to do it in order. Oh, now I get it. Now I see. Sneaky. Sneaky.
Red light. Speed right.
Aviator.
Purple light.
It starts from the bottom. And then this.
Yay! You cracked the code.
Huh?
Congratulations! Seven, you did great.
Oh, so I have to start from the bottom and up to the top. Sneaky.
Put your camera at the character and hold still. Nice. Great job. Let's keep rebuilding the city. Spin left. Spin right. Purple light. Purple light. Red light. Blue light. Blue light.
Goodbye! Thanks for the help! We found Ringo. Take me apart to build Ringo.
I love my Botzee, and we're going to have so much fun. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. You said try this. It's so much fun, and you're gonna love it. Now it's time to have more fun with Botzees. Jonathan in action!